All right, thank you so much for making that appointment. Now that we are here, when I officially get here, I'll typically park right on the street. I'll come in, I'll meet you at your door. Give you a handshake, probably even give you a hug at this point. Thank you so much for choosing us. It's kind of one of those. After that, then we start making our way to the project. For this specific one, we're gonna talk roofing. It could be for siding, windows, doors, you name it, we got it. Now, when we're outside, talking specifics. This is where you have all of these questions you have on your notepad. I'll start answering them. You start asking them, we're gonna work our way down. Now, you go as deep detail as possible at this point. This is where I need to know every little thing from the outside. Okay, we're talking about the type of shingle you want, warranties, colors, everything right now. Once we're done, we're gonna take a whole lap around the outside, any specific details you want for protection, okay? We will then make our way into the interior. Now, 99% of other companies will not go in your attic. Why? To be quite frank, they're just lazy. We are not. We are gonna go that extra mile. We're gonna make sure that we're delivering that value. Now, why do we need to go in the attic? A couple reasons. When you're doing a new roof, it is not just your shingles. It is making sure that you actually have proper ventilation in your soffits. It's making sure that you have the correct amount of insulation. On top of all of that, when you're putting your shingles on your roof, it's not just dimensional lumber, you also have to have the sheathing underneath, okay? If you have rotten sheathing, sometimes you don't have sheathing, maybe there's wood shakes, okay? The last thing we wanna do is to stick you with something in the end that you were not prepared for. We wanna have all those details answered right away. Now, after we complete our inspection, likely I'll go back out to my truck, take me 20 minutes to get a quote together. 95% of times, assuming I have the information, I can come back in and we can talk numbers. If I don't, then we can talk about that afterwards. Typically, we talk about a phone call afterwards and I'll send it to you through an email. Assuming I have all the information, I'll come back in, we'll take a seat at the kitchen table, wherever you'd like to talk about those details. We'll kind of run through the project one more time from start to finish, even what the day-to-day looks like, bringing the dump trailer, where we're gonna drop off materials, talking about colors, answering all of those details in there, and finalizing that entire process. We want to make this as smooth as possible. It takes two people to do that, so we're excited to have you on the team, and thank you for the opportunity.